In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Revolut virtual card. The first thing you need to do will be to log into your Revolut bank app, and once you're on the home page, you scroll to the top right corner of your screen where you can find the card icon. You click on that. Now you will find disposable, shopping, virtual card, and any other card that you might have created in the past. For this video, I'm going to choose the virtual card. So now once you get to the virtual card, you can show details in order to find out the card number which will be used on online shopping website. You can include the card number, the expiring date, and the CVV, and it's going to be accepted. Another option you can use if, for example, your card is stolen or you feel it has been compromised will be to freeze the card. And if you want to unfreeze the card, you click on the notification again. Another feature of this card will be for you to choose the spending limit you want on this card. So I'm just going to click on the spending limits. Once I click on spending limit, I will toggle on this card spending limit, and I will choose if, for example, I want the spending limit on this card to be 100 euros. I just include that and click on set limit. All right, so once you do that, this card is ready to be used. Another option you can also use could be to block your CVV, or you can terminate the card. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.